Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I just want to show you how to download the git-bash and how to access the project from the git-bash. So let's go to the download page and we will download the git-bash. First, just need to type out download git-bash in the Google git-bash download and just click the first link. You will be directed to the page. If you are using Mac, you can download the Mac version of the git-bash, and if you're using Windows, you can download the Windows version of the git-bash. It will be automatically downloading when you click the button. Just go to the file and open it. It is taking some time. Generally, git bash is nothing but a command line interface where you can access the bash from the Windows. Even the Mac users, they have a terminal, similar terminal, named it as a terminal as well. So they can also access the git bash by downloading it. So I just click the download button. It will ask you for the summary and just click next and go with the default already exist because I have already installed git bash and it's asking me to install again, and I have already removed it before doing this video, so I would say yes. I think it might not be asking the same question to you. Just click next. Use vim as a git default editor. Click yes. Use git from git bash only. Git from command line as a third party software. I would prefer recommended settings just because it will be added to your computer path. And click next. Click next. This is a Windows. I have downloaded it for the Windows, so I would definitely recommend the commit Unix style endings because we are trying to use git bash for replacement of Unix style, for replacement of command line interface which is having in the Windows. So just go with the default settings. Next, next. I would say next. That's it. Once it's installed, we'll open it and we'll try to access the projects. So before that, I just wanna go brief about. I just want you to guys go brief about what is Git and over the Google, and I'll put the links in the description as well. And coming to Git, it's actually a version control system. So when you're downloading git bash, you're getting two tools inbuilt in git bash. One is git, which is which you are able to control your source code when you are trying to deploy the project, and one is the command line interface in a Unix style. So just go through this document. It's very much useful to understand about the commands, and there are so many alternatives for git bash in the market. You can PowerShell is which is developed by Windows, and Windows command prompt which is already inbuilt in Windows when you buy the computer. So there is a lot. You can also explore all these things, but I would definitely prefer using git bash for Windows users. And Mac users, they already have inbuilt terminal where they can use git bash. I mean, like where they can use the terminal as a git bash, which is already pre-modified in a Unix style. So I think the setup is almost completed. So it's taking a little bit time to extract all those files, and once it's installed, we will try to access the projects from the git bash and run the project. So the two things which I want to say about the git bash is, like, git bash is nothing but it's an easy access bash, as I said, and it is also providing us a tool called git. So there are we can use a git as a set of commands line for utility programs that are designed to execute on Unix style command line environment. So as soon as I click launch, as soon as I think setup is almost complete, and I clicked yes. So I think it would be same thing for you if you follow the process, and I'll try to expand, go through this. So we are in git bash right now. Just do ls, which will list all your files of your computer, and try to go to your root folder by adding by using the command cd slash. You can access drives, like, I have all my files in folder drive f. So if I go to that folder, and I'll type ls again, these are all the files, projects which I'm working on. So let's suppose I just want to access a project and run the project. So I'll go to one of the folder, and I know which project I'm working on, so I'll try to click, and so yes. So basically I'm working on a Python Django project. So I'll try to activate the environment from here. Env scripts activate, clear. That's it. So this is how you can access the project from git bash. So that's what I just want to show you, like how you can download the git bash and how you can access the projects. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button.